Today's lesson is over Chapter 1, Section 1, using variables, and I have divided this section into 3 different videos. So this is video 1 out of 3. This video we're looking at just some vocabulary, so I'm going to show you some vocabulary words and some examples. First of all, let's look at a variable. A variable is a symbol, usually a letter that represents one or more numbers. The letters that we usually use are letters like A, B, C, and a lot of times we use X, Y, Z. Really any letters of the alphabet are used. A lot of times I don't use the letter O because it looks too much like a 0. When you use the letter T, just be careful that your T doesn't look like a plus sign. Notice I put a line through my Z to keep it from looking like a 2. So just be careful whenever you're picking letters other than these 6, but it's perfectly fine if you use any letters of the alphabet. All right, our next vocabulary term is an algebraic expression. It is a mathematical phrase that includes numbers, variables, and operation symbols. Sometimes it's called a variable expression. So an example of a variable expression or algebraic expression is something like this: 2x plus 3. There's actually more than one operation in here. 2x is 2 times x, and then we have plus 3. But that is an algebraic expression. Notice there's no equal sign in that algebraic expression. Expressions do not have equal signs. Equations have equal signs. So an equation is a mathematical sentence that uses an equal sign. So an example would be 2x plus 3 equals 9. Now, an equation that contains one or more variables is also called an open sentence. So 2x plus 3 equals 9 is an open sentence because it has one variable term. An open sentence that has more than one variable term would be something like this. And we will look at these kind of equations, open sentences, later in the year. Okay, so that concludes video number 1. Make sure that you pause the video and take notes, and then move on to video 2.